OpenSky doesn't work like a normal credit card, because it often requires upfront payments or deposits, and those costs matter more than interest rates when you're figuring out the real fee structure. By the end of this, you'll understand how OpenSky's fee system actually works, what you're paying for, and where people usually misunderstand the true cost of using it to build or rebuild credit. Start with the basic structure. OpenSky is designed as a credit-building, secured credit card. That means your credit access is tied to money you put in upfront, instead of borrowing against an unsecured limit. This upfront deposit is the key part of the fee system, because it directly affects your available credit line. Now look at how ongoing costs work. OpenSky typically uses a simple recurring account fee structure, depending on the card type and account setup. This is separate from your deposit and is charged to keep the account active and reporting to credit bureaus. Next is how the deposit works. Your deposit is usually held as collateral, and it determines your credit limit. This money is not spent unless there is non-payment or account closure conditions that require it. In most cases, it is returned when the account is closed in good standing. Now look at what people misunderstand. OpenSky is not a free credit-building tool. Even if you never carry a balance, you still have account-related costs tied to maintaining reporting and access. That's where the real fee schedule shows up. Next is the real cost perspective. The cost of using OpenSky is split into two parts: the upfront deposit and the ongoing account fee. The deposit is refundable under normal conditions, while the ongoing fee is the non-recoverable cost of maintaining the account. Now look at how credit reporting ties in. Each on-time payment is reported to credit bureaus, which is the main purpose of the card. That reporting is what helps build or rebuild credit history over time. Next is the key: trade-off. Secured cards like OpenSky are easier to get approved for, but they require upfront cash and ongoing maintenance costs. That makes them accessible but not cost-free. Now, the key reality. OpenSky's fee structure is less about hidden charges and more about how much money you're willing to lock up as a deposit plus the cost of maintaining an active credit account. To sum it up, OpenSky uses a secured deposit system plus ongoing account fees, where your upfront money sets your credit limit and your recurring fees support credit reporting. Next step is simple. Before signing up, decide how much money you're comfortable locking as a deposit, and whether the monthly cost makes sense compared to other credit building options. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more credit card breakdowns, fintech explanations, and simple guides that make credit tools easier to understand.